We are in 2020, and vehicles are damaged everywhere. Rental, car sharing, OEM, fleet, insurance, logistic, remarketing, and they all deal with damages. Okay, let's help the whole industry now with no bullshit, thanks to WeProov.AI.
Hey everybody! Tonight is a night where WeProov and this beautiful car body repair shop will reveal its AI. And trust me tonight, there will be no bull. Shh. Okay, so it all started in 2015. We were dedicated with a simple goal: to revolutionize the vehicle inspections and to digitize the vehicle inspections. Why? Too many papers around. And what generates papers? Generates conflicts. It's outdated. And also, it's really not accurate. So, in March 2016, we had our first product launch after 1 year of an intense work. It finally ends in being rewarded with a lot of prizes, and we've been awarded by all the experts in the vehicle automotive industry. For 5 years, we created also an incredible team with a unique vision, a dedicated goal. So in 2017, it happened by being around 10 people. In 2018, we were around 15 people and also really motivated. And finally, we are now a lot more, but we are now a scale-up. A scale-up which is structured. For 5 years, we also were dedicated on one thing: being totally focused on our customers' dreams. We spent thousands of hours, from Bugatti shops to Hertz car rental agencies, to help them digitize and to help them finally understand how we could all together simplify the condition reports, the inspection processes. We have also, as I mentioned, a dedicated team of experts. We know how to support you, we know how to listen to you, and we know how to solve all of your problems. And we know it with one tool, which is our apps on iOS or on Android, with our dashboards, and also with services. And we will talk about services a little bit later. We can sell also white labeled app or SDK. We are fully compliant with GDPR and a third party recognized. API and dedicated development are in our DNA. Let's talk about really what we're selling today. We are proposing to fleet owners and fleet companies to digitize their inspection processes directly from their customers' hand and users' hands. We help them to have a full overview of their car conditions and then fleet conditions during all the time they're having their fleet. So also we are today selling to insurance brokers and also to insurance companies with a dedicated tool which is enabling to make claim automations and to simplify the claim management for insurance brokers, but also from the insurer. And we have a third offer, which is WeProov Partner. It's a tailor-made process where we can answer to all you desire when it's related on inspections. We have today more than 250 customers in 13 countries and 13 languages. From Hertz to Carrefour to all others, we were capable of creating more than 3 million inspections. Today, and we are all very proud of this, it's 600 inspections per hour that are made. We will now talk about how the AI will be able to boost our services, how the AI will finally really help you in your day-to-day job, will really be a leverage for you. So, why did we start doing AI? Because we had thousands, millions of pictures. And you know that the data set is something which is really a key factor in this. And since day one, we are focused on this. And also, why did we choose AI? Because our customers' needs. Our customers ask us to create a solution which is enabling services leveraged by AI, which is enabling to empower their business and to give them superpowers. It all started also in 2017 with an incredible person, which is our CTO. And now we will listen to Gabriel Tissandier to explain to us WeProov.AI. Please, Gabriel, come. Hey.
Hi everybody, I'm Gabriel Tissandier, co-founder at WeProov, and I'm really happy to be here today. It's been like 3 years we've been working with the team, the R&D team, on this subject, on this topic, WeProov.AI. But actually we didn't develop an AI, no. We developed a unique algorithm chain that automates damage inspection, damage detection. It's built with 24 modules, and each one focused on one specific job. At the beginning, we had few goals: to automatically identify, classify, assess the severity, localize, and also measure all the damages bigger than half a centimeter present on the car. That seems easy, but it was not. Let's see what we had. Some problems like this. Some users were thinking that we could see any damages here better than the human eyes. That's not possible, obviously. We had like few examples I wanted to share with you with blurry pictures. A man showing with his finger where was the damage. We had also a person that we better see with reflection than the damage itself. Something we cannot say why sometimes. You got some examples with no comments at all. So first, we focused on how to see and to assess the quality of the pictures. We developed dedicated modules to see if the guided frames were respected, if the license plate was a good one. We find a way to manage the reflection on the car, and also we worked with triangulation to get as much details, as much data as possible. It was easy. We wanted to avoid the user's mistake made on the field, and we knew very well the field. Since the pictures are good, we can now try to find the damages. To do that, we had to train state-of-the-art algorithms based on the deep learning approach, especially. And to do that, we had to label a lot of pictures, actually millions of pictures. we launched a dedicated office with specialists that we train to labelize this data. We labeled every little damages and false positive. So now we can say that we can see big damages, as you can see, on every kind of shapes, every kind of vehicle's color, and also all kind of damage types. As you can see, we have now a very high confidence score on the detection we have. Also for missing parts, as you can see. Sometimes we had also kind of strange damages with strange angles to show us the damage. Sometimes we could see the damage on the other vehicles too, but we developed modules to manage that. And so as you can see, we really well detect the damages even on a glass breakage. We see also smaller damages like this one, smaller like this one. I took too much examples to show you what we have, sorry. And then I took this one also to show you very small scratches. You have this one here, and the very thin here. And basically the AI found it very well with a confidence score close to 100%. That's pretty huge. That's very confident. So we can detect and classify segments 18 type of damages. That includes glass breakage, divided between cracks, impacts, scratches, abrasion, but also broken parts, presence of corrosion, paint chips, dents, scratches, and also the presence of tapes on the vehicle. Sometimes it happens. Since we detected the damages with a high enough accuracy and confidence rate, we had to find where they were. To do that, we had to segment the vehicles with a precise enough approach. So we divided the car in 44 different parts. So here on this example, you can see that we segment the car very precisely. We find the hood, we find the wing, the door, the tire, and the wheel. So we have something very, very precise, and we are going to make it more and more precise with the data we are labeling. And so today it's 44 parts, but we aim to be able to segment the vehicles with about 100 different parts. At the end, and I could not talk about that, I'm sorry, even if the event today is called No Bullshit, we apply our magic sauce. At that step, we reinforce the results, we merge all the data coming from our 24 algorithm modules to make it an accurate and unique damage listing. This listing can be sent and shared through API. We can create a report, and we can basically automate a lot of actions. For you to get the results, it only takes an average of 2 minutes. That's very fast, you can say. We moved from days spent to manage that damage to only 2 minutes. That's huge. To handle that, we worked with NVIDIA, which is the leader on inference market, the way you run the algorithm. And I'm really happy to have Pierre-Antoine Baudouin, who is in charge of WeProov at NVIDIA, and who kindly accepted to say a few words about our partnerships.
Hello, I'm Pierre-Antoine Baudouin. I'm Inception Program Manager for South Europe and Benelux. And today we're here with WeProov for the official launch of the solution. It's a great day. It's really a big day. We've been working with all the team for more than 2.5 years now, optimizing the algorithms, making sure that all the architecture, on-prem and in the cloud was suitable for everything that you guys have been working on. It's an amazing challenge. You guys succeeded greatly in this. I'm very, very proud to have been working with you for the whole time. So on this, and with no further ado, let's rock it, and cheers to you guys.
Thank you very much, Pierre-Antoine, for this
Gabriel.
Yes, Alex.
Stop talking and showing things like all of those competitors in the world.
Okay. What do you
Now,
mean?
let's show the world how our stuff is really working. Let's go, no?
Okay, let's go.
Let's see Jean-Luc now.
Okay, so I'm pleased to introduce you Jean-Luc, our CTO, the guy who helped us to develop this AI. And thank you, Jean-Luc, for bringing us this very nice car, but I don't see any damages on it, right?
Yeah, there is nothing on this car, man.
Jean-Luc, can you show us, or can you do some damages on this car? Yeah, something.
Whew, a screw?
Okay, let's do that. A nice scratch, a big one,
Kidding.
small one. Oh, maybe.
Oh yes, this is a nice one.
Oh,
Nice shots.
okay, nice dance.
Okay,
Nice
yes.
scratches, sorry.
It's...
Fair enough, but maybe
But
we
come on, guy. Let's go. One thing, like... Okay, that's a little scratch. But can you do it better, maybe?
I'm sure I can do better.
Yeah, can always do better.
Is that
Okay.
harder?
Oh,
Okay, man.
okay.
That's
So
a big
that's
one.
the door when you are at the supermarket.
Can you do another one like this? Let's say around here. Oh, nice. Okay.
Okay, he destroyed the car.
Actually,
now.
it's very small. We'll see if the AI can see that. Jean-Luc, is it your last word?
Jean-Luc, can you do a little bit better, maybe? Again. Oh, okay. That's a rock. When you're going outside of a parking,
Where do you want to go?
you didn't see that wall. And you're
On the
going to
wing?
do it.
We all know this one. We all know this one. My wife's
Yes, we all
car
know.
has a lot of damage like this.
But like, remember, Gabriel, was it your mother's car?
This is not my mother's car.
Okay, Gabriel, but like, do you think that Jean-Luc gets something else?
I think, Jean-Luc, you can do just a bit better. Just a last one. If you have anything,
Okay.
would be great. Okay, man,
Oh,
man,
man.
take it easy. Oh, wait,
Oh!
wait. Oh my god. Okay,
Oh, the
that's a good one.
poor car. It's going to cost us, I don't know how much.
Yes.
I'm afraid about that.
This demo is gonna cost us a lot of money. Okay, thank you, Jean-Luc.
Jean-Luc? Well, now, it's unbelievable. How can I say? Okay, well, so those thing is finally happening a lot of times. And usually it happens to you when you're parked, when you're everywhere, and we all know. But what happened next, usually? What happened next is maybe you can take your smartphone and take some picture of it. And then you simply want to have what? An estimate. Maybe Gabriel can show us this.
I try. To be 100% honest, we're gonna share with you the real results. We have this one which is very, very small. It's a very small dent, so I'm not sure about this one, but we'll try. I'm
You know
gonna
what?
grab
There
my
is
phone
No bullshit.
and I'm gonna show what's happening
Okay,
on
so
WeProov.
everything is live.
I'm launching
So-
the screen recording right here, and then
What you will see
you're
is
gonna see
finally
what's
what everybody will
happening
do
with
once you
WeProov.
find the damage on your car.
I'm launching a new inspection, vehicle inspection. I'm filling my name in first name, and then I'm gonna make the inspection done.
Well, now Gabriel is doing what everybody can do with a smartphone and when we see a damage on the car. So he's taking picture, and because hopefully for us, he had the WeProov app on his smartphone, he will be guided step by step to take the best shot of the car, but also to indicate where there is damages. And you will see from the shots that he will do only on picture based, we will have as a goal to find all the damages that our CTO just did. And as you can see, it's 100% real. Jean-Luc really destroyed the car, and Gabriel is really doing and making pictures with the WeProov.AI system. As you can do it while you're inspecting your car before returning to the leader, while when you have a claim, what's that you just like claim to your insurance company that there is a damage, etc. So you see there is thousands of use case behind this.
No, it's okay. All the data are sent to the secure cloud, and the algorithm are starting to analyze all the pictures, all the fields, and we're gonna take a look at the results. Okay, so let's log in with my demo account. Up. So here I'm connecting at the WeProov dashboard that all our clients can access to. Up. I'm writing my password. Now let's see what we have. Okay, to my reports. Okay, cool. So here, this is the reports. It has been created, generated. It's fully secured. This is the proof of the vehicle's condition. And today, what I want to show you is here. So first, I want to show you the damage reports here. Let's see what we have. Okay. So I'm going to zoom on. So it says that sorry for English people, this one is in French. It says that the license plate is okay. Jean-Luc, can you give me some battery, please? Thank you. The license plate is okay because it wrote it on the pictures. It says also that the quality of the pictures is good, not excellent, but good. Every frame had been respected, so I have excellent here for the guiding control, and we have a confidence rate at 92%, so it's quite good. So here on that pictures, it's a quick overview of the damages that the AI detected. On the first pictures, there were nothing, so there is no detection, so that's good. On the second one, we can see that he found the dent here made with the baseball bat. 3 scratches, so maybe he missed the very small one here. The scratches here on the wing, and up. Can go on the last one. We saw what I saw. So he found the dent here with the painting trace, but not the very small ones, which it's kind of normal because even with my eyes, and we're gonna see it again after, I cannot really see it. Okay. So we have a little schemas to show where the damage is based. And here we can see it in details. So this one is the one on the front left door. We can see an average of the size. This is the percentage of the parts which represent the damage. And so we can see all our damages, our 3 scratches on the door, the front left wing, which is well scratched here. It touched about 8% of the wall parts, so it's a good way to measure the severity. And also we have the real measure in centimeters. Let's see. And this one on the rear left door, we can see the paint trace with the small scratch. It's a small one, but find a good size. Okay, just to finish up here, you can access the control and quality assessment if you want to see. Okay, so just to be sure, come with me, and I'm going to show you. So it didn't see this one. As you can see, it's a very small dent. So this one is half a centimeter, I think. So this is sometimes we cannot see it. We sometimes ask the user to take some angles on the pictures. This one is well seen. Actually, the dent is very, very low, but you will see the trace paint. So that's good for this one. We saw the 3 scratches. So this one is very deep. This one too, but this one, as you can see, is not that deep. Didn't touch the aluminium, but we missed this one, so we have to work on it. And finally this one that we saw very well, and also this one. So as a conclusion, we can say that we did all the major damages. And now let me show you something we are developing. Up. Try to escape this. Up. Up. How can I do? How can I do? How can I do? Okay, going back here. Up. And maybe you notice it, but we have here an estimate. So let's see what we have. This is the damage estimation of the vehicle. All the details to repair each part, the front door, the back door, and the wing here, with the time spent to repair those damages. And for the paint, the system had quoted all the time to be spent on each parts again, with the amount of the ingredient for painting. So we have well automated the full process, as you can see, and I'm very happy to show you that. So let's go back to the presentation. Okay, that was a good demo. It's exactly what you wanted, right?
It's exactly what I wanted.
Cool.
Exactly.
Let me show you a few details about the KPI. So at the moment, we have an average of 75% accuracy on all damages between a half centimeter to 1 centimeter. That's close to the human accuracy, basically. For bigger damages, from 1 to 5 centimeters, we have a better accuracy, an average of 83%. Sometimes we have just a few false positives, but we are still working on it to make them disappear. It's happened a lot for very small damages, actually. And for bigger damages, we have an accuracy close to the one of the human guys doing inspections. And our goal in 6 months is to be better, much better than the human doing inspections. We're gonna pass a huge step, a huge gap in our development in the next months. To do that, we already work with clients testing our AI, and we have deployed for them a team composed with former car repairer who is in charge of controlling quality and to give us feedbacks to the AI team in order to improve continuously our results with more and more new data, and also to ensure our clients a close to 100% confidence rate with the results we send them.
So, I would like you to remember one thing. We do not sell magic, we offer results. Thank you, Gabriel.
Thank you.
And
Alex.
now you can register for our AI to test and to use our AI now. Click on the link in the comments and you will be able to use our tool and to use our AI. And trust me, as you just saw, it's real. Thank you, Gabriel. Thank you all the team. Thank you, Jean-Luc. Thank you, Melanie. Thank you, Etienne. And have a really good day. Thank you, Gabriel.
Bye bye. Thank you, everybody.
Ciao, guys.